Future human explorers on the Moon might have 99 problems, but staying warm or cool won't be one. A team led by planetary scientists at UCLA has discovered shady locations within pits on the Moon that always hover around a comfortable 63 degrees Fahrenheit. The pits, and caves to which they may lead, would make safer, more thermally stable base camps for lunar exploration and long-term habitation than the rest of the Moon's surface, which heats up to 260 degrees during the day and drops to 280 degrees below zero at night. Pits were first discovered on the Moon in 2009, and since then, scientists have wondered if they led to caves that could be explored or used as shelters. If the ceiling of a solidified lava tube collapses, it opens a pit that can lead into the rest of the cave-like tube. Focusing on a roughly cylindrical 100-meter deep depression about the length and width of a football field in an area of the Moon known as the Mare Tranquillitatis, Horvath and his colleagues used computer modeling to analyze the thermal properties of the rock and lunar dust and to chart the pit's T. The results, recently published in the journal Geophysical Research Letters, revealed that temperatures within the permanently shadowed reaches of the pit fluctuate only slightly throughout the lunar day, remaining at around 63 degrees. If a cave extends from the bottom of the pit, as images taken by the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter camera suggest, it too would have this relatively comfortable temperature. The research team, which also included UCLA professor of planetary science David Page and Paul Hayne of the University of Colorado Boulder, believes the shadowing overhang is responsible for the steady temperature, limiting how hot things get during the day and preventing heat from radiating away. Unimaginably cold nights also last about 15 Earth days. Inventing heating and cooling equipment that can operate under these conditions and producing enough energy to power it non-stop could prove an insurmountable barrier to lunar exploration or habitation. Solar power, NASA's most common form of power generation, doesn't work at night, after all. NASA currently has no plans to establish an exploration base camp or habitations on the Moon. Closing parenthesis. Building bases in the shadowed parts of these pits allows scientists to focus on other challenges, like growing food, providing oxygen for astronauts, gathering resources for experiments and expanding the base. The pits or caves would also offer some protection from cosmic rays, solar radiation and micrometeorites. Humans evolved living in caves, and to caves we might return when we live on the Moon, said Page, who leads the Diviner Lunar Radiometer experiment. Diviner has been mapping the Moon continuously since 2009, producing NASA's second-largest planetary dataset and providing the most detailed and comprehensive thermal measurements of any object in our solar system, including Earth. The team's current work on lunar pits has improved data from the Diviner experiment. Because nobody else had looked at things this small with Diviner, we found that it had a bit of double vision, causing all of our maps to be a bit blurry, said Horvath. The team worked to align the many images taken by the instrument until they could achieve an accurate thermal reading down to the level of single pixel. University of California, Los Angeles. Scientists discover places on the Moon where it's always sweater weather. People could potentially live and work in lunar pits and caves with steady temperatures in the 60s. Science Daily. https://ift. tt. vnyaohf. Accessed July 26, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.